Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gundo. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We handle full service, partial, month of coordinations. We also do custom events where we tailor our packages to fit the needs of every couple. We do events in and around the Philadelphia area, so New Jersey, Delaware, Connecticut, New York. We also do destination wedding as well. We do full service planning. We do full service cost decor. You don't have to do both together. You can do the planning separate. You can do the decor, or you can combine the two. So my package is made to meet the clients in a wherever stage you are in the life of the planning. We also do home staging. So if you have an Airbnb or you have a property that you're selling and you just want us to stage the home to kind of give prospective buyers to see how the home's going to look, we do that as well. So today I am going to keep on my journey. Yesterday I talked about knowing your worth and self love and everything. And today I want to give you a little inspiration about, you know, don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams, because I set a lot of goals for myself. I set high goals for myself. Even when it don't look like it, I set because I want to reach to the mountaintops. Every day I push myself to where I needed to go. It doesn't mean because I'm doing great now, so that means I just want to be comfortable in that stage. Don't be comfortable with where you are. Always wish for more. Always and that's the things that can get you better. So today I can proudly to say that since I started my company, I didn't just want to be just an annual wedding planner. This was just in a hobby. This wasn't just something that I want to do. This is something that I have passion about, something that I want to leave for my children and the children and children, where this business will be able to set them off right. Even if the venture is to other business, but the things from this business will, I want to be a household name. And I'm not doing it just with the film, the glare. It's not about what client that I service, whether it's a multi-million dollar clients, whether it's a clients that don't have anything. I'm not picking. I want to be able to have a full range because I truly love what I do. Um, but one thing I want to say is that when I started my business, it didn't look like much, honestly. From the way things were going, the way things was at that point, at any stage, I would have given up. But I knew where my goals were, and I knew what I set for myself. And I'm at the stage now that where I can offer my employees 401k. And that to other may not be a lot, but that's a major milestone. It's not only that my company is doing well, but I can offer a benefit to my employees. Something I can sell them off right. Because I don't want it to just be just any old thing. And when I accomplished it, I was so happy that wow, you know, for me to reach this level, this is just amazing. And like I said, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of work. Sometimes it may look so hard, and you look at it, it's like, oh my God, I don't even know how to do it. Sometimes obstacles may block and you just want to give up. But always keep your mind focused on that goal. And I guarantee you, you will get there. Don't be satisfied. If you accomplish one goal, set 10 more. Don't be happy with the current state. Even if you're happy and you succeed, always want more. Okay, well, if I can accomplish this, I can do this. If I can do this, I can do this. I want my business to be well, that my staff are taken care of, that I'm taking care of, that everyone is taken care of. And my next goal is to be able to offer stock option to my employees. If all the other company that started off, they started from somewhere. Jeff Bezos, the Elon Musk, and every one of them, they didn't just wake up one morning and they just became a billionaire. No, they put in the work, they put in the time. It took years and time and hard work. And it's still working. They didn't say, oh, because well, I'm a billionaire now, so I'm just going to sit back and fall back and not do anything. I'm just going to relax. No. They're still finding new ways of how to push the envelope, to push forward, to see how new heights. Look at LeBron James. He's the first NBA player ever to be a billionaire while he's still playing. Why? Because he was just not content with just being where he are. He's already a major star. He's a household name. Everybody know him. He could have been okay. Yeah, no one. I got the fame. I got everything you want. But he wanted more. If you are going to any business, and I would say this, if you are going to any business because of money, because of regulations, because you want some kind of credit or some kind of celebrity status, whether it's a career or anything, you in it for the wrong reason. Start a business because you truly love it. Because the thing about it, if you start a business, something that you truly love, when the money are not coming in, that's what will keep you forward. The reason why a lot of businesses fall because they think that, oh, once I start this, I'm automatically going to start making all this profit. I'm automatically going to start making all this money. So when you start losing, when the money's not coming in, you start losing, there's nothing else left, because that's all they taught. Oh, because somebody else is doing it. The person, I say, like, the person is making a lot and they are successful and they are doing great, so I can do it too. Yes, there's nothing wrong with doing it. There's multi people that do the same business, but have the right mindset. So if you don't have the right mindset, you're setting yourself up to fail. You will crumble. That business will not go anywhere because you were setting it up for the wrong reason. But if you start something that you're passionate about, you're something that you care about, when the good time is there, you be good. When the bad time is there, you will figure a way out of it. Don't just do it for you. Always want better for people. I didn't have to say, oh, I have to give my client, my employee 401k. No. They didn't ask for it. They were content what it was doing. But that's something that I wanted. Something that I feel like if people are working for me and they put it in this, I want them to have something that they can put aside. I want them to have something for their own. I want them to be able to take care of their next head. They are investing in me. I want to invest in them. So reach for the scars. Don't let nothing slow you down. Set a goal and work towards it. Like I read something that Warren Buffett said, and don't quote me word for word. I might put it in order. He said, "There's as you start to do good, you lose a lot of friends down the line. As you start to get richer and things happen, you start to lose a lot of people in your life. A lot of friends, a family will start to fall track." But he said, don't get discouraged. And like I said, don't quote me word for word because I'm just paraphrasing it on that. Is that's why the Lamborghini has two doors and the bus has many seats. Because when you reach the certain level, that's not everybody can come with you. You're going to leave some people down the line. Some people might look at it, oh, well, you think you're better than, or you think you're doing this. No, because the reason for that is not everybody walking that same path you are. You want to bring somebody around you that will uplift you, that will carry, that will push you, that will work with you, not somebody who will take from you. You don't want somebody who will just take, of what you can do. But what are they bringing to the table? What do they have to offer? What is their role that they are playing? This is your success. This is your hard work that got you to where you are now, not because of somebody else. So sometimes people may not understand that. Sometimes you might be working on that vision and you want to go. And some friends or family may not understand it. Be like, oh, you just forgot about us. You don't talk to us. You don't hang out. No, it's not that I don't hang out, but I have my mindset right now. I have my tunnel vision. I'm focused. I'm trying to reach it. I go. So if you cannot understand it, that's okay. The ones that are your friends will always be your friends. They will always be there. They will want the best for you. They will want you to do great. So overall is that have that tunnel vision. Don't just be content with mediocre. Reach for that star. Set a dream. Even if a dream that somebody said it, try to beat your own self. Don't compete with anybody. Compete with yourself. And that's what I do. I always try to make sure that I outdo and uptop what I did the last time. But thanks you for watching. Once again, my name is Linda Gunno. I am the CEO and the founder of Lynda Perfection Creation. Please share and subscribe to my channel. You can go to www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com to learn more about my services and also sign up for a free 30 minutes consultation where you can talk to me about the services that I offer. You can also sign up for my wedding classes where I can teach you from start to finish how to plan your own events. Love you all. I want you to have an amazing weekend. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.